Morning guys, day 2 on the office build. As you can see, we've taken up all the grass, anything that's got vegetation in we've taken out. So what we've done, we've put this weed suppressant cover over, and then we'll just weigh all that down with hardcore ballast, anything that's an aggregate really, to weigh it down, hopefully stop anything coming through. We've got these pads, we'll just cut these out here, put some blocks on. We've got five blocks there, 3 blocks there, and just 1 block there. Try and get it all level, a nice base to build off. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. So we'll catch you soon. Okay. Right guys, another stage done. We've got all these pillars in, so they're all bang on level. We've used this laser level. So yeah, and got all the hardcore in there. Kid gravel on top of that to make it look a little bit better, even though it's all going to get covered up. And then Steve's made a frame over here, ready to just sit on for the floor. And we've basically stapled a load of DPM to the bottom of it, stopping it down. All this is going to be infilled with 100mm insulation. So yeah, I think that's that bit done. So we'll get back to you as soon as we get more progress done. It's lovely. Oh yes, very good.
On floor. I think if we fix those together and then what?
Okay, that's your floor joisting. Just got to insulate that now. See you soon. Right then guys, end of another day. That's all the flooring done. So all insulated, all the floors done now. So tomorrow we'll be cracking on with the walls. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Morning guys, day 3 of the office build. Steve's cracking on with the walls, building them up in 4x2 timbers. One thing I forgot to mention yesterday was the floor. What we've done, 18mm ply on 6x2 joists, so they're nice and sturdy. So what we're going to do today, get the walls up, see how far we get. Hopefully we can get some of the roof on today as well. So yeah, we'll get back to you and catch you in a bit.
So I thought I'd just show you, we've made this panel, so we're cladding this one as well. It's for that far wall there. We're going to we don't normally clad it afterwards, but because it's so tight down there, it's a bit hard to get to. But it's a good way for me to show you what we've got here. So I'll try and show you here. It's a bit awkward. So on top of the stud-work, we've got 11mm OSB board. That's all nailed down. 2mm gap in between for expansion. Then the felt breathable membrane on the front there. Then the 2x1 battens on top of those, and then we've got the softwood cladding. So we just got softwood cladding to run round on this side and round the back, and then on the front we're going to eventually have some cedar cladding when that finally arrives.
Right guys, that's the end of day 3 on the office build. As you can see, we've got all the walls up. Steve, look, posing as usual. All the walls up. Window going there. We've got double doors there. French doors, another window there. Yeah, roof structure is partially on. We've got 6x2s going across there. We've got nogging it all out yet. So they're literally just nailed down at the moment. So they're just basically in place. So yeah, that's pretty much for day 3. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Day 4 of the office build. As you can see, if I turn the camera around, got all the roof on now. Obviously the felt, the rubber roof isn't cut shape or anything. It's literally just been thrown on there because it's the end of the day. We weighed it down. So yeah, that's where we're at. And Mike and Jack.
Hi guys.
They're cracking on with the wiring. So I think we're having 8 downlights in here. We've got 4 spots, is that right Mike, on this soffit out here?
There's 4 basically.
4 spots going up here.
Yeah, you're gonna have 4 spots on the outside. I've independently done 4, so you can switch the centre 4 on to the outside 4 on here, because this is going to be a bit of a multi-function room, isn't it? So not just an office, I think it's going to be like a cinema style room, so we can control all those. All smart switching, there's network going in, yeah, so could be a bit of a smart house, potentially audio going in as well.
TV going on all there, obviously. Your normal plug sockets and things, so that's where we're at.
There'll be another video on this, to be fair, for the install.
Yeah, that's pretty much end of day 4. So yeah. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, give us all a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.